Christmas miracle. Welcome once again to the Simpkins Physics Corner. Hey, so AP Physics update. I got an email the other day from College Board. I want to go over this with you real fast. So the first thing is they said, yes, all the AP exams will be full. The sole exception is AP Physics 1. So we are literally the only class where they're doing something different this year. And it says that units 8 through 10 can be removed from AP Physics 1 since they're covered in AP Physics 2. Okay, so that means we are only going to be tested on units 1 through 7. The other interesting data point that should make you feel like a boss is that it says classrooms that have only completed about 25% of typical course content by January. So good thing you guys are at Penridge and we can actually come to school. Wish it was more, but we are 50% of the way through the curriculum. We have covered the first 5 units. And now that they chunked off the last 3 units, we are like even more 70-something%. So what does that mean for us for the rest of the year? Okay, well, here's the dealio. Here's what's going on. And my screen just shifted on me. That's not cool. All right, let's go with this. So here's the entire course, and we're not doing any of this stuff right here. This is all getting cut, at least from the exam's perspective. So what is on the exam is this right here. This is what you're going to be tested on, the first 7 units. Now you might notice you're like, we're already on unit 5. It's wonderful. It is very wonderful. You guys have been working very hard. We've been hustling. Forgive me for trying to cover the entire curriculum in a year, I guess, right? But we know that these units will not be tested. So what we are going to do is move those 3 units until after the AP exam, right? So I still want to give you guys the rundown on electrostatics, and circuits are really fun, and knowing the wave nature of things is very important for your physics understanding. So we'll get to that eventually. I won't deprive you of that learning, but it won't be assessed on the College Board exam. So what does that mean for us? All right, so it means we actually have time to do a bunch of sweet labs that I originally had to cut out because of our hybrid, only here maybe 2 days a week schedule. So we're going to be able to do some more labs. And I read in your surveys that some people said, oh, the labs are kind of confusing. I think now, once we've been through the content once, going back and doing the labs now you have a better understanding of the content. It's like trying to ride a bike the 200th time instead of the first time, right? So it might be a little easier. You might be, oh, okay, this is how this stuff comes together. That's my hope anyway. It also means we'll have a ton of time to take a lot of practice tests. I have a huge bank of these, and pretty much the entire month leading up to the May 7th or May 8th date, whatever it is, we'll be doing practice tests. So lots of time just grinding through multiple choice problems, free response problems. I'll do some coaching. I'll do some grading and some feedback for that, just to get you really sharpened specifically for the type of questions that you're going to expect on the AP exam. And then you're basically going to have the chance to master everything. If you're doing the math right, we only have 2 units left, and we're only barely halfway through the year, right? Now, the thing about that is that this unit down here, the one that says yay, it says yay because it's a beast, all right? It's torque and rotational motion. It's historically the hardest unit that we do. So the good news is we can take our time through that unit to make sure you really understand it, okay? So that's just a quick little AP Physics update. I want to just congratulate you guys on continuing to work hard. I want to thank you for your feedback. I already started reading those surveys, and we'll be implementing some of those suggestions here as we move forward in the spring. But I'm always here for you guys. I love y'all. And this is your AP Physics update for today. Until next time, have a Merry Christmas. It's Mr. Simpkins from the Simpkins Physics Corner.